Hello everyone, Jack Hub here, and today we're back at Newcastle finally. This is situated on the East Coast Main Line. Today we'll be sea services by LNAR, Transpennine, hopefully cross country Northern, maybe some Lumo, and some freight on the icing on the cake, even on top of the cake. Here's 801226, and there's a Class 802. First big start to 2023 this year. I really hope this year turns out a lot better than last year. But anyway, let's get started off with Newcastle. To kick us off in the spot, we've got 801226 from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. Off it goes. Leaving now, we've got 802202. I think it's got Liverpool Line Street, but I is saying it's got Liverpool Line Street. Yeah, 802202. Right. Oh, I think I know where this is going. Just rolling up now, we've got a Class 156. This is heading to Gateshead Metro Centre. I think this might be coming from Munthorpe or maybe somewhere up north. So this is 156. This will be 156465. And pulling up behind me will be a Class 800 coming from London King's Cross to Aberdeen. I'm trying to sound really energetic. I'm opening up like very early trying to get the trains up here, but I'll try and sound exciting for you lot. Just leaving now, we've got a 158 from coming from Carlisle on its way to Morpeth. 158851. Yes, 158851. On its way now, we've got 800 107 going towards Aberdeen. Coming along now, we've got a London King's Cross service. (801-228). I think this is passing through, or that this train's just terminating here. But as it doesn't matter. Oh no, it's just stopping here, it's on the ECS move, I think. Eight oh one, 222. Oh, aye, this is not ECS, it's an ECS move. Here comes 802219. Cheers, mate. First stone of 2023. I'm not going to get a good shot of it, but just pulling in is 158. My hands are actually freezing. Here comes the 158. Police. 158 816. Right everyone, this is the final part of the video. Hope you enjoyed these series of videos in Newcastle. I know it's not much, but I will get more when I'm back here, or anyone else in that matter. I will see you a lot later, and I have to get back to the homeland now, so I'll see you later.